Hi, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hang a Correx sign. Whether it's for an event, business, or just to get your message out, it's super easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Here's what you'll need: a Correx sign, a drill or a hole punch, some zip ties or screws, and somewhere to hang it, like a fence or a wall. Cable ties are a quick, strong and affordable solution for use on a fence, barrier or lamppost during your event. If it's going in a windy area, make sure to also secure the bottom corners. Alternatively, you can screw your sign to a wooden fence or a wall, depending on your event's location, which I will show you now. You want your sign to leave a great impression, so make sure that it's straight and level. If you're attaching it to wood or to a wall, use screws and washers to prevent the plastic from tearing. In this case, I'm using screw covers as washers. You can also use a suction cup with hooks on it, or hang your sign from a beam. If you're hanging your Correx sign indoors, double-sided tape is a quick and mess-free option. Just apply strips to the back or along all the edges for extra reinforcement. Make sure the surface is clean and dry and press it firmly against the wall. It will hold well on smooth surfaces such as painted walls, glass and doors, and there's no need for screws or nails. And that's it. Now you know how to hang a Correx sign like a pro. If this helps, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below.